Hey guys, here's Mark for another food challenge. Today, I challenge you to do a breakfast with me. In my mind, the perfect breakfast is made with bacon, eggs, and roasted potato. The trick here is the order of cooking. We want to be fast, because in the morning, there is no time to waste. Here is the way to do that. We start by filling a big pot with water. Put it on the stove at high heat and add some salt. Next, we peel the potato. We cut them in little cubes like this. We add them to the pot and stir a little bit. Let them boil for about 10 minutes. After, we drain them and let the steam comes out. In the meantime, in a cold pan, non-stick if you got it, we put the bacon. And after, we put it on the stove at medium-low heat. We want the fat to come out without burning. This is why it's important to maintain a low heat in the pan. When the bacon is cooked on one side, flip it, and when it's done, put it on a paper towel. That way, the bacon will be crispy. Now it's time for the trick that makes this recipe good and effective. You take your potato and you put them in a pan with the bacon fat. All that bacon fat will roast and give a really nice flavor to our potato. Flip them every 2 minutes until every part is roasted. When it's how you like it, drain the fat using a strainer. Don't put that bacon fat in the sink, it can bust your pipes. We put those potatoes on a paper towel, and now it's time for the eggs. Today, we will do scrambled eggs. First thing, we crack our eggs in a bowl. We put some salt and pepper and we scramble the egg using a fork. When it's all mixed, we take the same pan we used for the potato and the bacon, put it at medium-low heat and drop the eggs. We let the eggs cook a little bit and we start scrambling them using a wooden or a plastic spoon. Never use metal on a non-stick pan because you will destroy it. When the eggs are ready, everything is done. And tema, you get your breakfast. What I like about this recipe is that it's fast and simple. Thank you for watching. Feel free to comment on this video and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.